This video will discuss how to clean up your ACT, or active carbon tracks, and will basically describe the key factors that are polluting our atmosphere and contributing to global warming. According to Scientific American, CO2 emissions are projected to climb after nearly 3 years of stability. Now, this may seem odd, especially considering that global leaders are beginning to utilize solar energy. And you've got top CEOs like Elon Musk that are manufacturing very stylish electric vehicles. But in order to understand the reason for this increase in CO2 emissions, we must first take a look at just how clean electricity is. Electricity is generated in power plants. Steam is used to spin a big fan called a turbine. This turbine rotates a large magnet around a piece of wire to generate a magnetic field to electrify the wire. This sends an electric current through the wire into high voltage transformers and into your homes. This process sounds harmless enough until you take into account that the steam is created from burning coal. The coal is burned to heat the water that creates the steam that's used to power your home. This is especially troubling when you consider that 30% of the electricity generated in the United States comes from coal, with only 15% of our energy coming from renewable sources. This is especially concerning considering how the world is entering a cryptocurrency phase. Now, let's take Bitcoin for example. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin in circulation ever. In order to get some Bitcoin, it must be mined. When you initially start mining, you have to compute a series of very simple math problems. As more people mine out more Bitcoin, the math problems get more and more difficult to solve, until the only way you can possibly solve them is to use a supercomputer. Now, these supercomputers require a lot of energy. In fact, the process of mining Bitcoin takes up so much electricity that it's projected to overtake the entire United States consumption of electricity by July of 2019 and the entire energy consumption of the world by 2020. As the ocean gets warmer, it contributes to mega hurricanes such as Irma and Harvey and Jose that displaced thousands of people and left countries like Puerto Rico in shambles. It's up to engineers and scientists like us to invent new, sustainable ways to power our planet. We need to work with the Earth and not against it. Then maybe, just maybe, we can be on our way towards cleaning up our act.